Hi folks, Jeff here, and I just want to show you what's going on in the shop today. We got our oil filter wrench kit from Motivx Tools, and you can see we have all the stuff in here, but what I wanted to show you is one of the things that I really like on this kit is that it has all of the sockets that'll fit these cartridge oil filters, and you see it just goes right on the top there, and of course we use an extension to reach down in there and get it. And so a lot of folks don't understand that these vehicles now have a cartridge filter in here, and so you just pull this out and you pull the O-ring off of there. And so we want to put a new O-ring on here and make sure that we got it seated down in the right spot. And then we take the new cartridge filter, stick it in there, and then we put it back together, drain the oil, fill this up with oil, get this back on the road. And so I just want to let you see some of the tools that Motivx has. As always, we appreciate you watching.